Come and spend a standby with me as cabin crew. I started my standby at 8, so I woke up and made my bed. I then made an iced coffee and sat outside and read my book for a bit. I had a feeling that I wasn't going to get cold, so I ended up taking some parcels to the post office and then made myself some lunch. This was actually a really nice lunch and I've never made it before, but definitely going to be making it again. And then before I knew it was time for another coffee and I survived standby and early to bed as round 2 tomorrow.